Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is about the human ear, and it's mostly for grade 6 students, grade 6 or grade 7, or anyone who was learning about the ears, the human ear. So let's get started. Our main objective for the lesson is how do we hear sounds and parts of the human ear. So this picture shows some of the some parts of the ear. I can read out them: pinna, auditory canal, eardrum, the three bones, strip, anvil, hammer, and then cochlea, auditory nerve. In this lesson, we're not focusing about semicircular canals. So let's get started, and so we're gonna learn about the beginning of the sound journey through the ear. Like how does it start from where does it start? First, like the sound waves, when the sound or like a sound is made by vibration, and the vibration passes through the air. So the very first thing that happens is the sound waves are received by the pinna. Like you can see the pinna just outside of the ear, and even in the picture you can see this part. Like when I'm pointing the red laser light, the pinna, this is where the sound waves are being received, and this part is in the outer ear. That means like you can see it in the outer ear. Then next it travels throughout ear canal or auditory canal. We can call it ear canal or auditory canal, and it's like just like a path for the sound waves to pass through, and it touches the eardrum and makes it vibrate. So as you can see, it's in the picture it's given like sorry guys, in the picture it's given like auditory canal, or it's also called ear canal, and you can see the sound waves pass through this. It's just like a pass for the sound, a place to pass the sound, and then it touches the eardrum. It makes the eardrum vibrate. Now let's see what happens next. Then it touches the three small bones. They're called strip, anvil, and hammer. These bones help to amplify the sound vibrations. So you can see on the top like the three bones that are in the middle ear: strip, anvil, hammer, and like they are the bones and which help to amplify the sound, make it bigger. Then it goes to the cochlea. The cochlea turns the sound vibration to electrical impulses. It is a place, because sound vibrations can't be understood by the brain in the form they are. They need to convert into electrical impulses so that they can be understood by the brain. Okay, let's see. You can see the cochlea, and then this is the place, like it's in the almost in the inner ear, and it is a place where like where you can see where the sound waves are connected into electrical impulses, and then those electrical impulses go to the brain through the auditory nerve, and we interpret the sound, and we can like hear the sound and all, and like we can understand it. You can see at the end, the most end of the inner ear, the auditory nerve, and that's the place where like the sound goes to the brain. Okay, thank you so much guys, and please stay home, stay safe because of this COVID-19 pandemic, and keep watching all around. Also like, subscribe, and comment on a comment, and if you have any doubt related to the topic, please comment. I'll help you guys and make sure you understand everything. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you.